You be like say you be lefty.
Yes.
I don't notice say men where they cook now left hand that they use more. Why?
I don't know. Maybe now wetin God say we will carry come life. Come
My judge, you believe that one? Because I notice say guys where they cook now lefty that they use more.
Definitely.
You said they use lefty.
No, I use right mostly.
Okay.
But when the pressure dey much,
You they use the
the work.
Make pressure not there today. Because I know so this guy, you know, say as you know even bought him finish because he's ready to cook the my lady. You quiet, but in people I don't know them say they're quiet like this. Why?
I just dey calm.
You just they calm.
Yeah.
Why? Because you know what you won't cook.
Yes.
My people, when I know say na charcoal we they use. Like we talk am before for chop, we dey carry and go the local way. Even the pot, if you see them for fire, you know stand well. You know say for gas they make am straight. But for the village now, when you put firewood for anyhow where the pot stay, now there the food go take done. And because we dey use charcoal, the taste go always dey different. Now wetin make us Africans be that? Now wetin make us Nigerians? Yes, we dey use charcoal cook. You sef fit use firewood. If you use gas, we no stop am. But we still dey try to tell you say we sef know wetin dey go on for we society. We know wetin our four parents don go through. I still say you slow for the cooking. Wetin dey happen? You put something for fire, make it a boil.
Yes.
Wetin you don put for fire for us?
Na plantain.
Plantain. Okay,
Yeah.
you wan do am different.
Yes.
I trust you, my lady, because I know say as you come so, those quiet people, they like to show themselves with their
Abi?
handwork. But my boy here don dey show him muscle. It's him red, sorry. Wetin dey go on?
Now the cooking they go on all the yeah.
I don't
they join
notice
am
one
together.
thing. Most people wey sabi cook, they no dey too talk. Why? Now on our hands, they do the movements. All right, so my people, me no go tired to talk because na talk now I can't do for here. On top of chop. Today, that they cook my favorite food because beans na something where I no like when I dey school, when I dey grow up. I don't really like them because I chop and tire for body house. But as I can't grow, I can't fall in love. Make you no come up beans for that food where your children they eat because they add so many things for we body. Beans they very proteinous as I talk, and more so that they use fish, that they use plantain where they add so many things together for we body. My people, food they very important, and as a Nigerian woman, I know they doubt and when I don't they hear aroma, I know say something is about to happen. And you see say my judges, they don't they discuss many things whether they expect like they talked before. And true, I know say this one will be chef, so he go judge the matter, not be here. When I don't ready, because the aroma don't they hit each other. I don't even know where they come from, whether na left, right, I don't know.
But you know, most people.
We dey wait.
But you really they like beans?
Oh, beans are my favorite food actually.
Okay.
I like beans, vegetable, and plantain together.
Okay. If like say you don't they give somebody expo.
Vegetable no dinner.
All right, no lilies. We they expect that because I see say aroma they come from this side. We they see
mix
heat
with
they come
garlic.
out from this side. Me no go stop. Because here, when food don't join the matter, communication self they different. And I know say you as you sit down there with your family, they watch us. You self don't learn some things. You they see as they add the things they join together. But I don't understand why Ruth decided to stand still. She said she dey calm because she know what thing she want do. What thing they go on for there. You know, so when you dey use charcoal, you got to take your time to make sure say the food done because the taste self they enter inside. No less my people mokuna just stand by. The food go soon ready and our judges go soon chop because me self I can't fit wait. This one na chop for Wazobia TV.